진짜 자꾸 그러면 하지 마. 야, 하지 마. 너 나 이겨먹으려고 하지 마. 넌 고양이야.
Are you done?
This furball may have the mind of a 2-year-old, but clearly knows that electrical outlets are dangerous.
Oh, no, no.
Aww. Aww.
It might be a little annoying sometimes, but how could you ever say no to something this cute?
You don't actually mistake you for his mom, do you?
Some days, you just wish time would slow down. There's still so much playing left to do with this little goofball.
Okay, ow.
He's knowing to do this so well right now. Hugging the sun.
Видишь, как любит тебя? Соскучился.
Peace and the joy of always having a little companion by your side. If this moment touched your heart, please like, comment, and follow the
With this much affection, no one better dare lay a finger on this boy.
Stella, I do love you, Daddy. You're so sweet.
She didn't. I don't know. An olive bread was extended.
Olive bread. Oh! I got all.
With a cat around, you're never truly alone. Share your favorite cat moment in the comments. We'd love to hear from you.
She's like sleepy, but she wants to kind of play.
I think he's so. Check out your cat.
When they're together, the cuteness level in the room goes way beyond expectations.
Boyfriend ko yan! Akin siya. Akin siya. Hindi pwede. Alis.
What the hell is his problem?
May I help you? Come here.
I was like, yes, please, I do need your help.
Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here.
Why learn anything when someone already spoils you every day? That's his life motto.
She really likes it. She just likes to hide it. Right?
A cat's world is small, revolving only around love and affection from you.
小死猫，你瞅瞅它，哎呀，哎呀，哎呀，你说这个贱样，哎呀，太贱了吧！
Now you scared. Come on, keep playing.
Are you crazy? Are you out of your mind?
In a busy world, having someone who stays and quietly supports you means everything.
Скучал малыш за дедушкой. Ой, как скучал.
Why does she do that?
You don't like those dance moves?
No, getting real close.
Hi. Did you miss? You did. Did you? I missed you too.
Channel for more sweet stories to come.
It's not. It's not that serious.
Selfie. There.